Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can bulk create in Canva. So let's get started. First, you're going to open Canva and create your base design, and then you're going to add text, images, name, title, price, date, whatever you want to do so. And then you're going to click on the text or element you want to change dynamically. These will act as placeholders for your bulk data. Then you're going to go to the left sidebar and click on apps and search for bulk create, and then you can simply use it. So you will have two options. One will be enter data manually in the form of table, and then we have is upload a CSV file. You can create columns for names, emails, titles, prices, whatever you want. You can click on a text element in your design, then click connect data and link it to a column from your table. Repeat this for all dynamic elements. Then click continue and generate. Canva will automatically create multiple pages, each one filled with different data. And then you can navigate to each page to make sure everything looks correct. Then click share and download in order to export your design. And that was basically how you can bulk create in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.